Guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashie E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you guys how I got this super sleek, natural looking drawstring ponytail to look like it's my hair. If you guys are interested to see how I laid my type 4 hair down and also how I got the ponytail to look so natural like it is mine, definitely stay tuned. So first things first, I'm going to separate my hair in 3 sections. My hair is slightly damp from the shower, but I'm going to wet it a little bit more. So I'm separating it in sections because I'm going to be applying the gel in sections. So this is one section here. And then I'm going to do a second section. And then the last section in the middle. So the gel that I'll be using is my Eco Styler gel. You guys know I love this stuff. This is the Argan Oil Eco Styler gel. I've already used a ton of it. I keep this on deck. And then for my edges, I'll be using the Arcani Cool Care. Have a video on this edge control if you guys would like to see it. I will link it above in the iCards. So to get started, I'm going to take my spray bottle. I'm just going to lightly damp my roots. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of moisturizer. This is a pure avocado moisturizer from Curl Mix. Just a little bit, not too much. Then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and detangle the section. Especially the roots, you want to make sure the roots are fully detangled so that your hair will lay really flat. Alright guys, so now that my section is detangled, as you guys can see, it's going to lay nice and flat. I'm going to take my Argan Oil Eco Styler gel and I'm just going to lay it at the back. Just put it in a ponytail until you're ready to attach the second layer. And get my Eco Styler gel and just lay it down. And get my comb. Make sure you work that gel through. Alright, so we're going to remove the ponytail from the back. And we're going to get our brush. We are going to brush it in. They're looking very flat. So now, see, looking very flat, you guys. So now I want a middle part. So I'm just going to do this last part. Let's get a comb. I'm gonna do the same with the other side, you guys. Focus mostly on the roots, a little bit on the ends. Make sure it's just damp, not, you don't want it wet because it's gonna take forever to dry. Add a little moisturizer. Get your comb through that. Make sure it's detangled. That's right. You're gonna add your gel on top and a little bit on the ends too. Why not? Lay your head on my pillow. Lay it down. All right, so and get that brush. Ooh, yes, ma'am. This is the brush I need. There you go. The brush I need. Right. So I'm gonna undo everything. Then I'm gonna add some more gel on top. Y'all see that? Nice and sleek. Keep holding to that pony though. Don't let it go. Just add some gel on top. Get your brush. Brush that gel in. See how flat that is laying? So I'm gonna take my scrunchie. I get these from the local beauty supply. I love these because they don't pop and they stretch so far. Watch. You see that? And they're not gonna pop on me. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect, you guys. Look at that. So slick. Love to see it. I like to do this whenever I do like my ponytails and everything. I always like to add a little edge gel on top. That's my little trick, but really keeping it down. So I'm gonna add the Arcani edge gel on top. Just a little bit, not too much. Right? And then I'm gonna work on my edges really quickly. My edges are naturally thin, but I still like to do a little something with them. You know, I don't do too much. Yeah, but a little swoop won't hurt anybody. You know. Bam! Look at that. Woo! Little swoop won't hurt nobody, y'all. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, guys, so the key to this is making sure that everything sets. So I have a edge scarf right here. I'm gonna put this on first. And then I'm gonna follow up with another scarf. This one is like regular cotton, so it will like soak up the excess water and it will really help everything to lay flat. Alright guys, so I am back and I am ready to install the actual ponytail. As I said before, this is the Bohemian Fro Free Tress Equal Drawstring Ponytail. It is very, very pretty. I'm super excited to install it. So as far as my hair, you guys, it's been setting now for maybe about an hour. Let me turn around and show you guys how I make sure like the scarf is on all parts of my hair. I actually put a scrunchie over the scarf to make sure it lays flat, you know, right here. So let me take everything off and see how everything looks. Okay, feeling nice and flat. Get into it, y'all. Nice and flat. Get into it. So I'm just gonna put this section of my hair into a bun. And then I'm going to take my drawstring ponytail. Y'all, I love drawstring ponytails. They are just so easy. Just so easy, right? This is the pony. Nice and big. This looks like it could grow out of my scalp. Alright, so I'm going to turn around. Put it right here. Insert that clip. Take the bottom. Insert the bottom clip. Take that drawstring and pull it so it's nice and tight. Then use this and just secure it. Then I'm going to take my actual string and wrap it around. I'm going to use a bobby pin. Oh, that is so pretty, y'all. Use a bobby pin to secure the actual string. Alright, perfect, you guys. So then I'm going to take a piece of the hair from the back. Just wrap it around the base. Secure it with a bobby pin. Okay, and we're going to get another piece and wrap it around that base. And secure it with a bobby pin. Okay, so for the finale, we want to tease the ponytail a little bit, you know, not too much to where it's frizzy, but you just want to tease it a little bit. You know, you just want it to look as natural as possible and as full as possible. So just go in and tease it. Make sure it's even. All right. Make sure this baby is even. Wow, how cute is this, you guys? Super simple, super easy. Guys, so that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment and let me know if you guys are feeling my hairstyle. Also, let me know what techniques you guys use to accomplish your sleek back ponytails. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I do post multiple times per week, so definitely hit that bell so you do not miss an upload from me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!